Hi there, welcome back. Autumn is here. So today we are out for a walk in a nearby forested area. Dreghorn Woods, the suburban area of Dreghorn, near the City of Edinburgh. It's the time to enjoy the gorgeous, changing foliage. Let's have a walk through the beautiful woods. Fall colours are so bright and intense here, just like nature is trying to fill you up with colours. Trees changed from green to golden with orange, yellow and red hues all over the woods. The stream is impressive, as are the many old trees. The place is so quiet and the voice of the nature is very relaxing. Fantastic place for a walk with family and pets. Hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and share with your loved ones. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.